Ready, set, monetize! This video is for every frustrated YouTube content provider. See how by using the one technique that I'm going to show you today, I'm going to show you how to do it using the latest technology known as ChatGPT.
A new artificial intelligence tool is going viral.
Type in a request and it can write legal documents, software, even school essays.
Revolutionary new language model,
ChatGPT AI. Now, as of February 1st, you all know the policy guidelines and requirements of YouTube and being monetized has changed. Now, if you haven't received that, you haven't told July to do it, or otherwise, yeah, it's goodbye, YouTube provider. If you're as frustrated as I am watching the YouTube experts tell you blah, 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 how to go do and be successful in YouTube, and we're still sitting on the same thing. We post a video, we watch that thing go, wow! We all get excited for what, 10 minutes, and then it's over. Onto the YouTube shelf it goes for that cyber dust collection. Well, those days are gone. I'm gonna show you how you can literally reprogram that script or that YouTube short that you created months ago, weeks ago. You can not only start earning money, you'll start earning more views. Hit that subscribe button now. All right, so what I'm gonna do in this exercise, you're gonna type in what your old title was. In my case, cooking filet mignon with friends. That's my old title. And I'm asking the platform to provide me better titles for my YouTube short posting with this information. And watch what happens. That's it. You will get some of the best titles you've ever seen in your life. Reprogramming the title and reposting on the new YouTube February 1st algorithm will make the difference in your life. Us little content creators, yeah, the game is over. It's now been shifted. You've got 10 perfect titles, 4 of which I've already thought those would be the ones. I'm still fighting and wrestling over which of the 4 are the better ones to use. I just want to read you these. Cooking filet mignon for a group, tips and tricks. That's a good Halloween one. Gourmet dinner party, how to cook the perfect filet mignon. Filet and friends, I like that one. Filet and friends, wow. So the one that I'm going to go with that's going to change mine is number 7, the secret to perfect filet mignon, cooking with friends. Exodus Auto.
This is Patrick.
Hello.
This is Patrick.
Hello.
This is Patrick.
I hope this video has really related and resonated with you because the frustrations that you and I together share by creating content on YouTube, yeah, it's difficult. I firmly believe in the power of our shared passion, that's you and me, for creating and sharing our stories. If you feel the same, I would be honored to have you as a subscriber and join me on this journey. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications to do all that so you never miss a video from me. Let's get together, create, and bring our visions to the life that we know is possible. I can't wait to see what's next. Oh, and by the way, I didn't write that. That's not Steve Henry. That's our newfound friend, ChatGPT. So I urge you to play around with that. Go ahead and log in and let's see what we can do together in making this an amazing platform for you and I so we can conquer the YouTube experience.